Hi friends, how are you all? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. It's lovely to have you here. So my name's Claire and I do predominantly jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do have a website, but I'll share all that with you later. A website where you can buy all the supplies that I use to make my tutorials. So what have I got today? So I've just grabbed a few things. I've got nothing planned in my head, but I've got these lovely crow charms. They've got a tiny moon and stars on them. Silverbacks. Personally, I love crows. I love crows. We have them, quite friendly ones where I live. We have a special one called Patch. So I've got a selection of different things here, different charms and beads. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be using. So we've got some pretty rondelle beads. These are like purple, grey. These are 4x6mm. Got some silver earring wires. We've got some 4mm silver jump rings, heart charms. I've got some 50mm eye pins. We have these lovely moon charms. I love these. They have a hole here, so you can have a dangle, and there's a loop on the top. I've got some chain. Now when I do my tutorials and I've got bits of chain, I always say to you, don't throw the bits of chain away. They're really handy to have and reuse, which I have done. This is a broken chain that I've got, so I'm thinking of maybe using that. These are 6mm. This is just, there's all sorts in here. There's some jump rings, some tiny silver beads. I don't think I'll be needing any of the others. That's for when you add clasps. So we've got that. These are the lovely crow charms. Again, check out the website if you want them. I've got a 10% offer off of £10 spend at the moment. Tools, I've got pliers, I've got my taper pliers, and I've got my cutters. We'll also need round nose pliers for making the loops. And I do have some tiger tail. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, but that's the whole point. So rather than sit here on my own, I thought I'll make a video just how I would design my earrings. Obviously, the moons are going to be my focal point. I'm going to touch the crows here, but then I want to add some length. And although they're statement pieces in their own right, I do want to add more to them. First of all, I'll touch the crows. Now I'm going to use 6mm jump rings for these. I really should put my glasses on. There we are. So through the crow, through the dangle, and then close. So there we've got our moon. Let's do another one. So again, reattach the crow, the other moon, you see you've got tiny, and you probably can't see, and then go in with your pliers. Let me just check that's done up. Yeah, that's fine. So there's our crows. Okay, let me think what we're doing. So I'm going to add the first bead, which is that one. Then I want 2 pieces of chain. Just get my cutters. how long do I want these to be? I think we'll have it there. One. I'm just judging, that's probably about 1.5 inches. Now there will be, when you cut chain, there's always some loose on the ends, which you don't want to use. Okay. So I'm going to thread a piece of chain. Then we will have a purple. I think we'll have another purple. And then the very dark purple. Actually, before the purple, I'm going to put a smoky grey. There we go. So we need to measure 1 centimetre and then cut. So I want to make a loop, put the eye pin this way, and I bend 90 degrees. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers for making the loops. Now make sure you can feel nothing sharp sticking out. Bend back on myself. It's a bit bent, so I put it upright. There's a little gap, go back in and bend. There we are. So that's what I've got. So I'm going to make another one of those. A piece of chain. Two purple. So how is everyone? Please let me know in the comments below. I love knowing how all my subscribers are doing. Good or bad? Problem shared is a problem halved, I always say. So again, I'm going to cut 1 centimetre. Bend 90 degrees. Oops. Make sure nothing's sticking out. Take it out, go round. As you can see, it's facing this way. So we take our pliers, pull it up, then just go, if it's not closed, just go back in a little bit. There we go. So there's our 2 dangles. So I'm now going to take my 6mm, 2 of those. Actually, I need some for the earring. Right, let me just get those. Again, I'm not sure what I'm doing. It's just as I go along. So we take the 6mm, open those. So I'm going to attach this to this one and then close. Make sure there's no gaps. Okay, and exactly the same with the other one. And then close. So you can see that's what we have. Now, if you want to add more, we can add some hearts. Which is what I am planning on doing. So where do we want the hearts to be? Let's have a look. These hearts are the same both sides. I don't want it right down here because it's going to get in the way. I think I'll just put one there and then one about there. So I'm going to take these tiny 4mm jump rings. How's that? There we go. Put the heart. Make sure there's no gaps. There's a bit of a gap in there. That's the thing when it's, I think if you've got big hands, big fingers like me, fat fingers, it does get in the way. Let's have a look at that. Let's see what we got with this. Right, let me add the earring wires. So I'll just take one of these. So we take another jump ring. Through the loop. We need the earring wire to face this way. And then close. You have to have them this long. I just wanted to do a statement pair. So let's do exactly the same. So another jump ring. So again, we are going to thread through, attach the heart, just move that over, attach the heart and then close. Again, attach the earring wire. Earring loop that way and then close. And there we have that one. So what I'm debating is, do I want those pieces of chain hanging down? And I think I've decided no, I don't. There we are. The piece of chain has come off. I'm just going to do the same Same with the other side. There we go. So these are my statement crow earrings. So if you've got this far, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you're currently making. I'd love to know. It doesn't have to be jewellery. We all do different crafts. Do you like those colours? Would you do something different? What would you do different? Please let me know. I take inspiration from you as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and happy crafting.